Welcome back everyone to another video on our channel. Today we're reviewing Creatify AI. Creatify AI is an AI-powered video and ad generator designed for e-commerce brands, marketers, and small businesses. You can create social media-ready product videos by passing a product URL or script, then choose avatars, voices, and templates. It's built for speed and scale. You get a URL to video creator, pass the product link, and Creatify fetches images, descriptions, and tone automatically build a video. Outputs optimized ad scripts based on product content with up to 2.7 higher lead generation performance reported. Also, 700 plus avatars and multilingual voices with 29 languages that support batch production. It automates creation of multiple video variations at once, great for A/B testing and scale. You can export in vertical, square, or landscape for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. And you get preview videos before rendering to avoid wasting credits, which is for me is the best option. So you get ultra efficient tool, very easy to use, scalable campaigns, engaging reactions, and good customer feedback. But now let's move on to the drawbacks. Lip sync and emotional nonsense can vary across avatars, especially in less common languages. Fewer creative templates than more established platforms, and editing remains basic. Also expensive at scale. Pricing escalates quickly with advanced features like batch, custom avatars, and unused credit don't roll over monthly. Also generic feel in ads. AI-generated videos sometimes lack the human feel or originality of real UGC ads. So Creatify AI is a compelling tool for anyone needing fast, scalable video ads, especially e-commerce marketers and small businesses. It excels at turning URLs or scripts into polished videos with avatars and voiceover, supporting multilingual ads and batch execution. However, creatives seeking cinematic polish, deeper customization, or unique branding might find its output limited. It's also important to know that the premium functions require higher tier plans and unused monthly credits expire. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.